balandi nyonso bolingaka Charlie Show tozali toujours en direct na Congo number 1 kandi nayebisaki bino ke Charlie Show azalaka liboso na bino mpona komemela bino un plus. Charlie Show azali partout dans le monde. Lelo naye kosala tournage na nga na Barcelona tozali na beach toyaki mpona ntina ya NCL Tour ezali agence ezali koteka batike na prix ya bien et surtout pour na bandeko bolingaka ba voyage neti Abraham Mating le temple yazaka toujours partout dans le monde alinga kokende ko se relaxer et puis pour na osaba business na ye voilà nazo recommander bino boke toujours na agence ya NCL Tour ezali agence o bazoteka ba prix ya bien ba ticket ezali agence soko sombi ticket na yo bakwa kozwa na aéroport ba memi yo na hotel na tongo okozwa nani déjeuner na yo ya ofele. Alors na tongo bayi kozwa yo bayi kotambusa partout okende osala tour okende ko visiter mboka et surtout soko oyebi mboka te soki meme oyebi langue te bakotinda moto ayi kozwa yo na langue oyo oyebi akotambusa partout olingi okende et puis mbongo kaka kofuta bien na yo nde mbongo kozwa service. Voilà yango bonguni NCL Tour ezwaki Charlie Show na Barcelona tozali na beach toye na bato bayaki kosepela elongo. Voilà ba papa ba mama balandi nyonso bolingaka émission na biso mbote na bino. Voilà nazaka liboso na bino toujours na good news et surtout pona communauté na biso nayebisaki bino Charlie Show azalaka na pona bino et pona komela bino un plus pona mabota na biso lelo nakozwa bino minute ebele te esengo na ngai ezali komona ke un plus oyo nalobaka nayaka nango mpe nalingi esala mosala na communauté na biso toza na bandeko na biso baza liboso na bino bako se présenter et puis lelo bokamwa te pona nini baza liboso na bino e bamemeli biso nini toza na good news ovoma bomona ko ezali impossible comme possible pona nini ezosenga ke bana mboka na biso il faut baza na mayele o nzambe alobaki mutu nyonso akoki kozala na mayele nzambe atiaki na kati na ye et puis pona nini bana mboka te yango lelo tozali na kobenga directeur papa directeur bonjour.
Bonjour, Maman Charlie.
Voilà, c'est présenté d'abord on a bengo directeur Selo masolo ya sikame na moni à part directeur ozana kombo o bakoki ko bengela yo. Est-ce que koki ko se présenter?
Comme on a Nestor Bokuli, Nazali managing director ya Nest Connections Limited. Yango ndemte créé carte toza ko so nango lelo solo la.
C'est présenté par bandiko nyoso balinga ko ba moni lisusu.
Bonjour Maman Charlie, nga komona nga Maman Lili Bukuli, nazali operation director ya Nest Connection o eboti solo la.
Voilà, moni bandeko na biso ezosala nga esengo. Donc soki tobito longola kaka image tango koka director boko. Donc eza ba kombo moko espoir ke nzambe azomema biso situ na milieu na biso tokende musika. Tomoni tozala lisolo tozobenga solo la pona tina ya carte papa na mono lobi ozali directeur ya carte est-ce que koki ko expliquer biso eza carte nini
Maman ndenge olobi oui à solo na créé compagnie comme onango Nest Connections Limited naza ko manager yango alors compagnie oyo est créé carte comme onango solo la. Solo la calling carte ezali carte oyo eko permettre congolais à save mbongo. Congolais a benga Congo akoko benga partout na monde ezali na prix ya moins cher ezali na ba charge mususu te lokola ba carte musu esalaka alors na nyoso to elingi koloba ke so na carte moko ya solo la ezali ko représenter presque 2 ou 3 cartes il y a la compagnie Moussousouana. Pourquoi ils en c'est parce que prix Nabiso déjà ils allaient moins cher et en plus de ça, bah charge surtout bah chaka par exemple ceux qui au bengi bah connecté yo bah charger yo. Ce que au quatre téléphone parce qu'aux une des qu'on a ôté au lieu rappeler après bah charger yo. Ce qui au tika il 5 minutes na souka. Aujourd'hui, carte à 15 minutes, au soleil, par exemple, 10 minutes, au train à 5 minutes, au binon, 5 minutes, on a bien maman et soit après. 5 minutes, on a bien en gros last minute charge. Donc 5 minutes, on a perdre en gros. Voilà, donc solo là, calling carte, ce que peut sur 30 minutes, on a au solo en gros ndenge oza kokende ti okokochronométre yango okoperdre jamais minute soki okati ntango okorapele osololaki 5 minutes ozalaki na 30 minutes ntango orapele otika mpe na 25 minutes et ainsi de suite econtinue na ti okosilisa last minute na yo. Voilà.
Oti kolanda directeur ya solo azo expliquer biso pona tina carte na biso tozo benga solo. Est-ce que oza nango wana? Merci beaucoup. Voilà bomoni o balobi congolais akoki kokoma na niveau te yango tozo benga ngo solo la. Preuve aneke maman ndenge ozali wana papa ndenge ozali wana salela kombo bokomona solo penda ezosala. Mais ça fait combien de temps solo la ebandi kosala?
Solo là, ebandi kosala il y a 3 semaines à Kanisi, mais histoire nango yutimwa musika. Alors compagnie a créé un système, ils ont 2 méthodes à utiliser solo là. Méthode à liboso ezali na online. Soko koti na www.nestconnections.com na kati wana okolanda okay na sign up. Alors na sign up on sign up au s'enregistrer au sombi au bazo bengango pinless, c'est-à-dire ba minute na yo et kokota na kati ya téléphone oyo ko enregistrer na système tango ko benga oza na besoin pin number te. Alors deuxième méthode ezali carte solo la ndenge bomoni awa okosomba yango na shop au baloni na kati au scratch ndenge to bande kosana ba carte nyoto téléphonique to somba ka international au scratch number oyo olandi instruction ezali awa au benga access number oyo ezali ofele pona mutazana téléphone ya ndaku pona mutazana na téléphone à contrat like a mobile ezali pay as you go ko utiliser like a mobile te parce que loko to lingite sombi carte pesio minute ya malamu poso na famille na mboka mais carte oso sepela mais like ba minute non like apé eliami. Donc dans l'avenir tu peux résoudre la situation mais pour le moment benga utiliser téléphone no yandaku utiliser contrat na yo. Alors tango ko benga access number eko yebisa yo okoyoka message et tout yo sur oloba na anglais au press 1 sur oloba na français ba option nyonso to ezali aso kolandi yango et connecté yo. Alors oko sepela mingi ko utiliser solo la carte
oko sepela mingi ko utiliser solo la mais na ozabino minute belete to landana no moi extrait muke lobby ezaki anniversaire ya Prince George ezaki lobby na centre ville bota la place solo la akota ki ti party voilà tozaki lobby na ti party ezaki anniversaire ya Prince George mais biso to sepela ki parce que solo la bazaki azaki invité parmi na kati babi to célébrer anniversaire wana mais tozokende ko célébrer pe solo la carte ezaki pe mukolo nango to landana no moi extrait wana muke komona ke bandeko na biso bazosala makambo ya minene to landa.
The other cake here, the big square cake, it's known as Victoria Sandwich. Okay. And the reason why it's known as Victoria Sandwich, it was the 7th Duchess of Bedford, who was a lady in waiting to Queen Victoria, who actually first decided to start afternoon tea. And basically, the reason why it happened was that ladies of fashionable age and wealth would parade in Green Park at St James's Park in London, quite close to Buckingham Palace. And the procedure in those days, in the middle of the 19th century, was that you ate your breakfast at 8 o'clock in the morning, and then you had nothing else to eat until 8 o'clock at night. Wow. So these ladies, and they were wearing these very restricted corsets at the time, which is the fashion part of the period. So they were walking up and down, and they were fainting through hunger. And so the 7th Duchess of Bedford decided that she was going to have a secret lunch or meal in her boudoir in the afternoons. And she invited Queen Victoria, who she was the lady in waiting to this event one day, and Queen Victoria enjoyed this so much that she said, this is a great idea, we should introduce afternoon tea to London. So it was duly sort of recognised and introduced to London. And then when, as I was sort of explaining to you earlier, when Queen Victoria came here to this house to have afternoon tea, and the princess introduced them to Battenberg cake, which was their wedding cake, which they'd never seen before in London. She liked it so much, this then created Royal Afternoon Tea. So this is the home here of Royal Afternoon Tea as well.
Wow. So we are very happy to be there. Wow, that's good.
The different connections.
Yeah.
I mean, one of the biggest connections here, for example, with Prince Philip. Prince Philip came here as a young boy because his maternal grandmother, who was Princess Victoria, looked after him after her daughter, Princess Alice, Prince Philip's mother. I always have to get this round right. Yeah. Prince Philip's mother had mental problems. And if you ever see the photographs, and you'll see some of the photographs of the Queen's wedding in 1952, then you will see in the background this shady figure of a woman in a nun's outfit. And that was Prince Philip's mother. And by the time they married, she had become a nun. Solo is here and really wants to talk a little bit about all his business opportunities.
Thank you.
Well, thank you.
Honored guests, I'm welcoming you to this event as you are all pillars of our community. I'm Mr. Ndoli Bukuli, married with 4 children and 1 grandson. I have a BA Honours in Business Studies with 10 years professional experience in management accounting, and my children are now becoming professional themselves. As parents, we all know how much time our children spend on their mobile. Surely, there should be another way of using mobile cheaply. I've always had several aspirations, and one of them was to set up a good business, as every good business should answer the problem. I decided to create Solola calling card as I personally feel that mobile calls can be very expensive. Therefore, Solola calling cards attempt to give affordable and cheap overseas calls. Because of high technology system, I've ensured that this will be a safe and valuable system to use. My personal views are that businesses should help the community in which they serve. I've looked at creating a system where a penny a minute can be donated to a charity. So we intend to call this campaign Penny Can Save a Life. Solola calling cards aim to create affordable and cheap methods for Congolese to use.
Voilà, en tout cas, merci beaucoup. Je crois que Kolanda, journal Lobezaki, Essengo Ming, et surtout, Essengo Nangezali Komona ki, Otozo Benga solo la carte, Ezaki Lobi na place, pour na journée le kaki, mais na kolingana na remercier papa, et puis na tout na ye, na soana na direct, pour na tina journée à l'élo, ya lobby, pour ebele ba moni, mais ba comprendre vraiment, elingi kolobanité. Direct. Namoni vraiment omemaki biso place moko na koloba mezi eza place moko vraiment munene félicitations parce que place omemi biso nde place pe munene na business ezomonana mais est-ce que okoki koexplike mpona bandeko bazolanda biso oyo tozalaki wana et puis ezalaki nini mpona ekomona mpe après wana nde komona sikoyo événement lisusu ya bakarte ebimi est-ce que okoki koexplike biso.
Merci mingi maman, maman Charlie. Affaire nyo surtout ezaka na approche moko boye, il faut ça là. Solo la carte tango ebimi, il fait que ça marketing nango. Voilà, alors que ça marketing nango koluka etindaki ke na luka ba professionnel ou ba ko edenga na marketing nango. Alors marketing nango ezalaki planifié na deux approches. Approche moko et à l'approche de exploiter social media, c'est-à-dire Internet, Facebook, Google, ainsi de suite. Approche mususu ezali o ya biso communauté, ngana ebisi mama ebisi ndeko, toke na ba shop, média na biso lobeli yango, on a deux approches solo là et adoptaki pour ça la marketing nango. Alors na approche yo ya ba professionnel ya social media et sali que na ye ko se retrouver na deux contacts et na katia contact wana moko na bango azali photographe ya famille royale a sali na famille royale 46 ans ye mutaza okanga ba photo officielle ya famille royale tant to soyo na ye alors il me dira que non business na yo produit na yo za produit mo très bien ba activité za nango na katia business plan na yo na côté ya environnement na côté ya communauté na yo c'est vraiment louable, ezali malamu mingi. Alors nako salisa yo aux associés na de Royal Child photographer na compagnie nangaye. Alors yango na invité kibiso lobby na résidence o ezalaki une résidence secrète ya famille royale pendant 100 ans et kozala révélé kaka mikolo que famille royale ba bandaka wana alobi résidence wana ezali origine ya the Royal Tea Party. Donc na résidence wana nani Queen Victoria abandaka Royal Tea Party na place wana. Alors yangwana salaki ke il fallait na luka 10 membres ya communauté na biso oyo bazali na média o bazali na influence o bako edengai na vulgariser na la kisayango na communauté na biso. C'est alors que na contactaki bato nyonso tout oyo bazali na kati ya événement wana na vidéo na enregistrement wana pour tokende na événement wana lo événement wana coïncidaki na anniversaire ya Prince George mwana ya Prince William na Kate. Voilà.
Voilà, oti kolanda événement na ezaki anniversaire ya Prince George yangwana bomonaki toliba gâteau wana ezalaki pamba te ezali gâteau papa gâteau wana je crois eza pamba te ezali gâteau eliamaki na anniversaire
gâteau wana ezali gâteau anniversaire et banda gâteau wana origine ya gâteau wana et banda na mariage ya Queen Victoria et Tea Party ba ko décider que ba kotisa gâteau wana na Royal Tea Party nyoto za salama et na occasion ya anniversaire ya Prince George gâteau wana eliamaki biso na opportunité nzamba salaki tozala wana biso pe to partager gâteau wana et d'ailleurs to tostaki pe champagne pour na ko célébrer anniversaire wana. Alors à partir à wana nde alors photographe wana na moninga na ye o bala ko edenga na message bango nde alors ba kozwa ba image wana ba ko créer message pour que na social media et dengai na zoa ba viewers ba traffic côté social media.
Voilà papa namoni nga kombo na directeur nde ezosala nga vraiment moto soki aza big il faut kosalaka ye toujours big alo biso bato ya media nde tokoconfirme yango papa directeur namoni olobi ke toliaki gateau vraiment gateau ezalaki bien nasepelaki nga bandokasa tokutaka pondu makaya bukwanga me nakuti gateau mais emo esalaka bien kochange milier mais namoni tolie gateau mokolo gateau aye te namoni kaka bilamba nde ya mokolo gateau ezali wana.
Maman, wana ezalaki, merci mingi maman na question na yo. C'était une grâce pour Nabiso. To sala launch ya solo là na millier na niveau to komaki wana. Alors présence ya mwana wana selon ba mesure à sécurité akokaki ko ya wana kaka ndengona te.
So how do I think George is going to fare? I think it's going to be a different lifestyle for him. They're trying to protect him right now. They're trying to give him some security right now as well. And it'll be interesting to see whether this is allowed to happen constantly, as at the moment there's a lot of control. Personally, when I'm asked by TV networks around the world to comment on the photographs and what's happening, I tend to think that if there isn't some release, some relaxation of this control, I think the media is going to get mightily upset over a period of time. Unless they sort of hassle something that allows them to sort of... I remember, at this time during William's first birthday, there was a group of us, probably about 20 photographers, allowed into the park, and they all sat down on the very famous scene on this picnic table and napkin, and they played around with Prince William. Wow. So, and it made great photographs, everybody got photographs, everybody was pleased.
So now it's different.
So now it's different at the moment. So it'll be interesting to see how things are happening. Apparently, his school has already been prepared for him.
Le problème de la sécurité et qu'on permettre vraiment baya na ewanate parce que le protocole ya famille royale pour na sikoyo baza ko protéger mwana wana makasi. Donc akokaki ko se présenter wana te. Alors biso batozalaki wana to célébrer quand même yango na la champagne na ba biloko nyuso tout oyo tozwaki. Alors oui, vas-y maman.
Sécurité akoki koya te est-ce que ça na bato te o ba se présentaki atake bato ya famille be ba closier peto mona quand même tozo célébrer mwana mokonzi azali wana est-ce que ça na bato bakoki kozala na biso te.
Merci maman. Oui, bato bazalaki ye moko photographe à famille royale azalaki wana na designer oyo azotonga bilamba ya famille royale.
In between time now, I'd just like the final speaker for this afternoon. This young lady I've known for some time now, her name is Lauren B. She's a royal fashion designer. So she's had quite a sort of distinctive history of working with the royal families around the world and also creating sort of designer fashion at the same time. So we thought that it might be quite nice just to hear a few minutes view whilst the champagne is being served from Lauren. So I'll just introduce you to Lauren B, please.
Thank you very much, Ian. Thank you. Thank you. Let me just get myself together. Thank you. It's lovely to see you, ladies and gentlemen. Thank you so much for attending this afternoon. The ladies, you look beautiful. I've got to say that what an abundance of colour. And the men are beautifully, very smart, beautiful. Thank you very much for coming this afternoon. Now, my name's Lauren B. I've been designing and making evening gowns. I'm a couture designer. We've been designing now for about 23 years.
Sorry, the champagne.
I'm so sorry. Now, I've been based in Knightsbridge for about 20 years. I am a royal fashion designer. I work with royal families from all over the world, which I can't always actually elaborate, or you can understand for various reasons. But it's a wonderful thing to do for women. It's very glamorous. We meet lots of amazing people. I mean, I'd like to talk a little bit about some royal fashion today, and I'd like to start with the Queen. You can probably remember from years gone by when the Queen first started out, she couldn't be terribly fashionable, and she was a little bit old-fashioned, as women of fashion would look at it. But that's because of protocol. I mean, her sister Margaret, she could wear all of the latest fashion, and she led quite a glamorous lifestyle. She was allowed to rub shoulders with the latest pop stars and movie stars. So it gave her access to all of the, you know, the new fashion out there. She could wear miniskirts, etc. And the Queen couldn't do all of that. Now, moving along, we've now got Kate. She's a new royal, and you know, she's very, very fresh. I love her sense of style. She loves these wedges. I love the way she wears these fabulous little sort of fitted coats, very reminiscent of Jackie Kennedy. You know, everything that she wears is quite precise. She's a great fan of Alexander McQueen, who had a great pleasure to work with many years ago. And you know, it's really refreshing to see a new royal. You know, I think a lot of girls will follow her style. She's got great style, and we all love her. She's had a few fashion for pros over the years, which is fine. I mean, she's young. She's just starting out. For instance, things like, you know, she'll wear a floaty skirt and it may blow up in the wind. I think you may have seen pictures of her in the newspaper and her skirt's blown up. Well, of course, the Queen never had this problem because she was taught this from a very, very early age. You know, Kate will learn this as she goes along. You know, she's young, and what the Queen did, I mean, the way what happened, I mean, what they did is a little trick, and you Queen ladies, you can think about this. If you're going to a country, you're going to do a tour, you know, it's going to be quite a windy day. You put weights in your skirt, and that will keep your skirt down. That's the little trick. And as I said, Kate will learn this along the way. And last of all, I just want you probably see these little jackets hanging up here. This is in celebration of Prince George's birthday, and it's my little gentleman's collection. And actually, fathers can have this as well. So you can, now that, you know, you used to have these, you know, girls be dressed up like daughters, mothers and daughters, but now, you know, fathers, you know, you can wear this dapper gear. And actually, we don't have the trousers here. This one actually has yellow trousers to match. This has pale blue. This has bright red. This is the little tuxedo with the little bow tie there. And they all have the fashionable hankies. And I've also created some cravats as well. And it's a really lovely sort of dapper way of dressing your little boy. I mean, I have a son now, a grown-up son, but this is, I mean, when my son was little, I wanted him to dress like his father. So I dressed him in little jackets and things, and I made a collection, very not dissimilar to this for my son. And that was the inspiration, but it's a lot of fun. And gentlemen out there want to dress like your sons, you can do it without looking silly. Okay, but I mean, that brings it to a close. It's very short, but just wanted to introduce myself. And it's lovely seeing you all, and thank you so much for coming today.
Thank you.
Thank you very much.
Donc, tozwai quand même chance wana ya kozala na bato oyo o bazali na famille royale, batravaille na famille royale.
Maman Charlie, ngai Maman Lily, directrice ya Solola. Responsabilité na ngeza ko s'occuper na opération nyonso ya Solola. Donc par là na loba côté kisa ko contacter ba shop, ko contacter ba totongito coopérer na bango ko travailler na bango ensemble, ko collecter ba mbongo nyonso donc opération activité nyonso tout ya Solola. On ezanga musala nanga.
Siko so tongi to somba bakati tokozwa ngo côté ni tokokozwa.
Bon, ma carte, pour le moment, biso ba tozanango, tozolinga to contacter. On a dit musana nanga na zo ba contacter ba shop. Moto aza vraiment intéressé à contacter biso. Ba shop ou alingi to sana e to comme ba partenaire à contacter biso comme ça to yokani na ba discount auto ko sala ndeni ni ba ko zwango. Mais pour le moment, ngamu na za ba carte et puis mais online pesa nango déjà actif. Ce que j'ai carte était au Kenya online, au côté aux cartes en attendant aux cartes.
Siko ndenge soki mutu asombi carte na ye il faut utiliser yango okoyebisa biso différence nini ezali par rapport na bakarte mosusu oyo mpenza tozobenga yango Solola, donc the best carte différence nini ezali.
En tout cas, Maman Charlie, il y a une différence makasi. Biso mo déjà to ça la carte mingi on va payer là qui na biso que to ça la carte parce que to consommer la carte mingi. Selon la carte oyo en tout cas ils ont représenté 2 ou 3 cartes à ba carte mingi to ça là. Parce que ba carte to ça là qui peut ça biso n'est pas 30 minutes mais en réalité on a 15 minutes parce que les papa expliquer ils ont ko kata yo ba charge ils ont longolo ba minutes otika na moins d'1 livre okoko bengate. Mais ngai moko na sali Solola na 50 pi au Kobenga. Et puis même en Afrique. Tomekeli yango nde surtout en Afrique na 50 PS kezobenga pe. Alors biso moto za ba témoin en tout cas bandeko na ngai isolola eye pona communauté na biso eza ya mwana mboka. Alors pourquoi bokende na ba carte ezolia bino ba unité isolola eye wana pona ebakisa masolo na kata communauté.
Solola ye balobi meka salela kombo balobi solola mais sikoyo soki neti moto asombi 5 cartes akozwa discount même ya depuis ou bien comment ou bien eza nde nini?
Oui, discount est à partir de 5 cartes. So moto azwi 5 cartes aza déjà na discount.
Voilà balobi soko osombi carte na soko osombi 5 cartes discount ezali. En tout cas merci beaucoup. Voilà maman Lily namonaki lobi na salle omemelaki biso mwa cadeau. Esalaki mpe mwa bianga kutu na bosana yango na bureau omelaki biso mwa cadeau moko esalaki bien solola mais soki kaka wana ou bien mpo bato nyonso bazolanda biso baza na besoin mpe bayeba mpona ntina solola estce masolo esuki kaka kuna place tokendaki ou bien boza na likanisi mosusu?
Oui, likanisi mosusu ezali mais moni wana eza nini rôle nanga il fallait na bainvité bayaki il fallait napesa bango cadeau na pesa bango ba nini moi eloko moi elembo comme ça ezaki déjà ni kopesa bino merci nde boye na pesa bino pe ba carte comme ça bino bokende bo meka boza ba témoin comme ça bo panda masolo solo la bien.
Voilà ngapo tuna mekaki sebo papa mais kaka biso to mekaki bato a média po tozwa mwa makasi eza niti mai opesi biso tomela tozwa makasi ya koloba mais communauté na biso bandeko na biso pe baza na besoin est-ce que kosala pe lunch pona bango ou bien soki kaka oyo salaki kuna?
Merci mingi maman Charlie. Neni launch officiel ekozala wana ezalaki étape ya liboso toza koluka koplanifier siko koluka place nini ya malamu oyo tokoki kosala ke bashop nyonso tu barepresente ya bashop nyonso tu bazala. Le reste ya média oyo tozwaki na 10 personnes kaka ya koinvite na événement ya monene leka elobi. Le reste ya batu bandeko ebele bala kosala misala ya malamu na média moye tobengisa bango nyonso tozalaki te bango nyonso tu bakozala alors na launch wana ya monene. Alors na launch wana nde tokoexplike malamu il y aura peut-être peut-être promotion na jour wana eza promotion bakarte etekisama na moins cher tokoexplike nyonso tu malamu tokosolola pe alors na ba-entrepreneur ya bashop mpona koyeba shop nini balingi bakoma partenaire bakoma korepresente bakarte alors informer na communauté mobimba ke soki olingi ozwa carte ozalaka kote boye okende ozwa carte place tel okende ozwa carte place tel donc programme wana ezali planifié toza koplanifie yango.
Hi, welcome to Charlie Show. We have our big man. He's going to introduce himself and he's going to try to explain to us what is happening today. Hi, good evening.
Good evening and thank you for coming. My name is Ian Pelham Turner. I'm a royal photographer and a royal broadcaster. So like yourself, I appear on TV all the time and I try to make explanations of how the royal family have been brought up from Victorian times through to today. So I try to give the history of royal photography from Victorian times through to today. I obviously have a history myself of working with the royal family, and I've worked with the royal family now for the past 46 years. One of my most famous photographs was I took the first commissioned photographs of Prince William when he was just a few months old for the very first Christmas that he celebrated life on this earth. So today we are celebrating Prince George's birthday, but also we are also launching at 37 Eccleston Square in London a former royal secret, because in Victorian times the house was actually a royal secret residence. It was owned by Princess Victoria and Prince Louis. And Princess Victoria was the granddaughter of Queen Victoria, and she was also, Princess Victoria was also the maternal grandmother of Prince Philip. And so basically they had to keep this a secret where they lived, because at this time it wasn't a very nice area to live in, and they would have been laughed at if people knew where they lived.
Why they keep secret? Because people, they want to know why they keep secret.
because why they kept it secret was there were a lot of lodging houses in this square at the time that were for people who didn't had criminal activities and all sorts of lower life activities, and so they didn't want people to recognize that they were not in very good financial circumstances themselves. So eventually they came to London, they came to this house because it was the only house they could afford, and Queen Victoria used to come and visit them, and one of the things she gave them was the key to a back garden gate to Buckingham Palace, and so they could actually sneak in and out of Buckingham Palace without being recognised. And the other thing that we're launching today is our Royal Afternoon Tea, and when the Battenbergs, because it was Prince Louis of Battenberg and Queen Victoria, Princess Victoria, when they were married, Prince Louis came from Battenberg, an area of Germany, and that's where the famous Battenberg cake was made for them first of all, which is a cake with the 4 squares, and each of the 4 squares donates one of the princes from the principality at that time.
So that cake is like a memory cake?
It's like a memory cake, and when it was introduced to Queen Victoria, when she came to tea with Princess Victoria, it became a royal favourite, and that's what actually now that 37 Eccleston Square is the home of royal afternoon teas.
So I think today, like you say, you are a photographer for William. So today, did you take a special picture for him?
Not at the moment. Basically nowadays I've moved from taking still photographs into broadcasting. So I work with television companies right across the world, and I talk about royal affairs now, because what I feel now is that I'm 63 years old. I feel I've done everything I've wanted to do in photography, and I feel that young people should be given the chance that I had in the first place. So I'm very much of the opinion that young photographers should be given the opportunities to photograph Prince William, Kate and George, and they use it to actually springboard their own careers, as the same situation happened to me.
Wow, that sounds good idea. Is it possible you can help young people as well to start and do their job the way you was doing?
I would love to, and part of my remit nowadays is that I mentor young photographers, and I try to help young photographers on the path of actually how to make a professional living. 10,000 photographers a year come out of universities, but they're not taught how to make a living, they're not taught how to make money. And so basically what I do is I help them and teach and preach to them on how to actually become a commercial success as well. I've been, as I say, a photographer for 46 years, and I had to learn the process of how to sort of be successful over many periods, over the ups and downs in my career, and I'm still successful as I was when I first started.
That's very, very good. I need you to encourage a lot of people. They don't know what to do to their life, but I think you do great job. You do nice job, and I need you to encourage them how they can be like you, the way you starting, and after that you thinking how to help the young people. It's gonna be just the young boy or women as well.
Truth is, I love young people. I wouldn't like to be a young person today, though. Could I imagine it? Because when I was young, then the reality was there was lots of job opportunities. You could sort of create the career that you wanted to. The reality is, in any job today, I teach and preach how to help people even get jobs. You know, I teach them skills about how to get through interviews, how to have a much more self-esteem for themselves as well. I want young people to win. I want young people to win at all times, and basically it's my greatest thrill and privilege to work with young people, turn their lives around and give them that feeling that they are important to society and they are important to themselves as well, and teach them how to create successful careers as well.
That's good. So I need to ask favor if you can help people from my community, especially African people, those who they don't have nothing to do. It's possible if I can bring group of them, you can help them.
I would absolutely adore that. I would really adore. I would feel blessed and honoured to be able to do that, because it really is. I feel these days young people have a raw deal. They really have a raw deal in life. and I feel that if I can help them in some way, encourage them, I feel for myself, people see me as a great mentor. You know, I don't let them get away with anything. I push them continuously. I push their boundaries, and really, what I'm trying to sort of show to young people is they have to have that will to win, and that's what I teach.
Thank you very much. Thank you. We are blessed because we have somebody. He's gonna try to help young people, especially young people. They sit down at home. You are blessed. I'm gonna take all the young people and I'll bring it to you, and you're gonna help them to their future.
Absolutely right. Absolutely, I will feel blessed to do so.
Thank you. Good afternoon. I'm happy to see you.
Thank you very much. Thank you.
Tell me about the day. Why we are here? What we're celebrating, and can explain to us.
We're celebrating Prince George's birthday. That's what we're celebrating today, and also the connection with the royal family. You're at the Royal Eccleston, and it has royal connections, which we discovered just a couple of months ago. And we're celebrating George's birthday today. So that's what the tea is about. And you've seen the royal collection. Mr. Ian Pelham Turner, he's given a wonderful talk. He's a royal fashion expert and photographer, child photographer over 40 years. And that's what we're here today to celebrate, you know, the finding of the Eccleston and Prince George's collection.
I think she's blessed today. He's blessed today. Tell me a little bit about designer, because I saw you show us about designer, about the clothes you make for him.
Yes, it's a little gentleman's collection. It was inspired by my son when he was very small. My son's grown up now. But I wanted to produce a little collection reminiscent of what the royals would have worn years gone by, maybe 20, 30 years ago. These clothes have never really dated. I mean, and they'll continue. They're traditional checks, little Oxford bags, the traditional stripes, you know, for boating, the checks and all with the hankies are yellow and red satin. And it's nice for fathers and sons to dress alike without looking silly.
The father can wearing and the son can wear as well.
Absolutely, yes, of course. And it would look quite cool, you know, a guy in a pair of yellow trousers, a check jacket with the sleeves rolled up, a t-shirt. It would look very cool with a pair of trainers. It would look silly. Your son will be like you, and it's quite cute, you know.
How long have you been in this job?
I've been designing for about 25 years now.
You have a lot of experience, innit?
I have a lot of experience. I started very young, and I love my work. My mother was a couturier as well, and I went to London College of Fashion. I started a business from my bedroom in literally a little made-to-order service, and then I continued and was lucky enough to be invited to Beecham Place.
Can you make to anyone as well? Can you make something for myself?
Absolutely. I mean,
Really?
do you know what? I specialize in evening and bridal wear. Bridal and evening are my passion. I do a lot of red carpet gowns. All the dresses have the bras and corsets built inside, and they're literally made on your body as though they would have been done in Victorian times. And you get a gorgeous outfit.
So, do you have idea one day you can try to help some young girl as well to be in future like you? Can you have the idea to help young girl as well? There is some young girl, they struggle to be at home, they struggle, they don't do nothing, get pregnancy. So we have idea to help them, but we don't know who can help them to be a person in future. Can you help them as well?
Do you know, I'm so pleased that you've asked me this question. This is a passion of mine. I think, you know, when you acquire a wonderful skill, as I was lucky enough to acquire, it's nice to give something back. And I'm all for mentoring young businesses, young girls. You know, when you think the couture business is literally outdated now, because you know, girls are not taught the skill at home anymore. Their mothers can't sew, their grandmothers could sew, but they're not taught the skill in the colleges. So they come out of college, fashion school, learning how to sew. They can barely make a pattern. But what you need to do in a crisis is to be able to make your own samples. And you need to get on the sewing machine and know how to make it. And I would love to mentor young girls and teach them that even if they don't want to go into a career of fashion, they can actually sit at home and make their own clothes, and it's a joy.
You can try to help them how to make it?
Certainly, it would be an absolute pleasure. An absolute pleasure.
I'm so happy, very, very happy because you are there to help people who they don't know, but you have experience. And I think if you put hands together, you can try to help some people who they don't have anything. So any message for the people they follow you?
Any message for any girl that's watching this now, if they'd like to learn to sew and they're girls that are at home and they're in a poverty-stricken family, I'm happy to mentor and teach these girls the sewing skills, and they can grow up to be dressmakers, designers, or teachers. And it's a skill that I learnt at a very early age, at the age of about 14 or 15. And one thing this helped me in life, when I travelled, if you're hungry, you can make someone an evening dress or a party dress, and you've got some money in the bank. You'll never go hungry if you can sew. So that's my message.
Thank you very much. Did you do anything today special for George?
Did I do anything special?
Did you make something special? Because I saw some vest, some kind of nice clothes. Did you do something special? Because today is his birthday. Did you do something special?
Absolutely. The little collection you saw actually handmade myself, this collection. And as I said, it's in celebration of Prince George's birthday, where, mothers can now dress their little boys in smart clothes. They don't have to run around in jeans and T-shirts. They can wear dapper jackets. Maybe they can wear it with jeans, dapper jackets and trousers with a matching cravat and hanky, and look like their fathers, look like their daddies.
Today he looked like his father.
Today he looks like his father, daddy's boy.
I need to see how he looked. He looked like his father. Thank you very much.
Thank you very much. Thank you. It's an absolute pleasure.
Ben, t'as passé très bien. Très bien pour une première. Et ça nous fait une grande joie de voir dans la communauté un frère a sali quelque chose d'exceptionnel. A mis Bisso aussi dans un cadre exceptionnel pour montrer un peu le sérieux de son travail. Et je crois que, étant congolais, on a un double mélange de sentiments. D'abord, sentiment, il y a Essengo pour tous les Lokasika, mais sentiment aussi, il y a Essengo parce que Ndewasali Loko Mogo, il y a qualité, et dans un cadre où ils ont le niveau, il y a sérieux à Moussalanaye. Et nous demanderons à toute la communauté congolaise particulièrement de soutenir cette grande vision en achetant la carte ou bien en l'achetant through de online. Que Dieu vous bénisse, et si vous le faites, vous ne faites pas seulement à M. Nestor, mais vous élevez le nom de la communauté congolaise. God bless you.
Oui, merci beaucoup en tout cas Ndeko Francis et puis surtout Maman Charlie. Na sepeli mingi pour na kopesa impression na journée à lelo. Toye awa ezali occasion moko ya munene tokutani na Ndeko na biso Nestor oyo asali carte moko babengi solola. Carte wana ezalaki présenter lelo na niveau ya ya service ya reine ya Angleterre. Et eloko esepelisi biso mingi eza d'abord événement ekomaki na double vision. Eloko liboso toyaki mpona carte ya ndeko na biso mwana Congo tozosenga vraiment sorti nango officiel biso nyonso bacongolais tomeka kosomba yango mpo tobengaka na mboka na biso. D'abord c'est dans notre langue solola, donc c'est une carte qui fait la fierté, mais eloko mpe esepeli biso mingi lelo toye mpe koprofite ya kopartage champagne mpona anniversaire ya Prince George oyo azali mwana ya Prince William Naket. Donc sepelisi biso mingi to partager pe esengo wana ya anniversaire na ye. C'est
merci na micro utopesa ngai Ndeko Francis. Vraiment communauté naza na mingi ya koyebisa bango te bomoni bilile utoleka bilile leki wana elobi nyonso ngai en tant que président de la communauté nazo supporter initiative oyo ya mwana ya communauté ndeko ya communauté papa ya communauté oyo abimisi parce que tolobaki bien accru comme association des Congolais du Royaume-Uni et supporter initiative nyonso ya mwana mboka nyonso oyo akoya na idée kitoko toko supporter ngo pe toko senga congolais à consommer congolais. Parmi ba devise na biso tolobaki ya 2014 tolobaki we speak one voice as Congolese ya mibale congolais il faut à consommer congolais.
To pesi merci mingi liboso na Nzambe po ye moto asalaka makambo nyonso na ntango nango. topesi merci mingi na bakonzi ya mboka oyo bayambi biso vraiment mpona komolakisa ke soki boza na ba initiative ya malamu bango baza disposé. En tout cas message nga na retenir na esika toya awa koya kokutana na hôtel royal. Donc bakonzi ya mboka ntango balukaka place ya kopema bayaka na esika oyo biso touti koleka et puis bayaka na parc oyo biso touti koya jardin oyo eza spécial. Alors, première chose. Deuxième chose, ça, merci et félicitations mingina moi Nabiso, Nestor, beaucoup li. Pour nangaye, eza double honneur. Naza papa naye, naza bokilo naye, naza pe pasteur naye. Donc, en quelque sorte, triple honneur pour la mon a été. Mathia, tout ça qu'on ça, ceux qui ont été au sérieux. Nzamba ko révéler eloko e bombama na kati na yo pour ko découvrir eloko loko la carte ya télécommunication. Ce n'est pas une affaire d'un homme, les kanisa Nzambe exprimé à travers concrétisation ya projet wana. Alors on a dit qu'on lancer un message spécialement na ba Congolais na bandimi voilà ba ndela ibani kofungwana madame susu to senga kana Nzambe metoye bakatango Nzambe ko répondre na lusamo na bisote. Mais ce qui est sûr c'est que lusamo nyonso oyo muto asala kana motema moko malamu Nzambe a répondaka. Alors tango répondre sikoyo ezali nde côté na biso pour toi appuyer initiative wana.
En tout cas impression nangai sur carte oyo nabanzi nazali parmi batu oyo ya liboso ba utiliser carte oyo na communauté na biso congolaise dès que papa Nestor a trouvé kingai to sola ki moi moke na ba de quoi il s'agissait. Alors na joki pe carte yango na koti online na sombi carte na meki vraiment j'ai aimé parce que parce que yali lo na biso mo congolais et puis deux parce que na utilisé la carte ebelé mais tant on a mis carte oyo na moni ezoye bisanga penda ba minute on allait utiliser et puis ceux qui na kati na zongeli na zoko time mango penda na montre na moni penda que ezo respecter ba minute. Vraiment j'ai une bonne expérience de cette carte, raison pour laquelle je recommande toute la communauté congolaise ba ko kosomba carte solo là.
Allo ba mama ba papa bandeko bana mboka na kanti bozomona ye moko la main divine atelemi liboso na bino na cadre ba mama bolingo number 1 naza obenga ba mama nyoso to bolingo number 1 la main divine secret nae bino moko bomoni aza na secret ko lamba sikwa bimisi secret o solola to solola na communauté na Congo o unité sili to pesa la publicité ya batu mususu te to pesa la publicité ya solola carte eza lokola ba carte oyo bimaki oyo tanga kombo nango te eleki yango 100 fois pona ye moko abengaka ba mama bolingo kaka na solola soki abengi ba mama bolingo unité esilaka te mato ekoma bango pasi pona solola carte secret la main divine oyo eza ya kolamba te sikoyo tokomi na basolo ya solola bomoni la main divine azala na secret ya kolamba sikoyo achange secret ekomi na secret ya masolo. Vous contactez la main divine, à Olaxabino, ndeni bokozwa carte oyo, numéro nanga yo le kanase, pona bozwa ndeni bosomba solo la carte.
Ok, merci mingi na opportunité oyo. Date ya lelo, ezali date moko importante pona solo la calling card. Tout ça qui invité na Royalty Party. Alors, les membres, les leaders, nous surtout la communauté, les leaders importants de la communauté Nabiso, Ndimaki, ko répondre à l'invitation de Pesaki Bango. Alors, tu passé un très bon après-midi dans la place Yoyo. Voilà, donc, ceci pour nous remercier tout le monde au Bayakiawa. En plus, alors, pour nous relancer leur message dans la communauté congolaise et Sika Bozali. Solo la calling card yango ebimi. Solo la calling card ezali moins cher de par rate nango, prix nango nanou, ils allaient très moins cher. Et en plus de ça, ils allaient na ba charge et belete na kati. Na kolaki sabino, exemple à carte yangoyo. Ils allaient na deux méthodes ya kozwa yango. Okoki kozwa yango na website. Où ils allaient www.nesconnections.com. Okoki kozwa yango kuna. Alors, on a pinless, on a besoin de carte pour nous pin number. Alors, carte, on a à travers la shop, maman Charlie Bazaliawa, maman Marceline Azalakiawa, tout ça, tout le monde est en média. N'a contacté les médias, contacté la shop et qu'on a distribué dans la shop. Alors, on a place nini, on a carte et qu'on décevoir binoté, cartoyo, ils allaient créer essentiellement pour aider Congolais dans souffrance automoni, bamboula et belé, à utiliser la carte où yo tozaka jamais satisfait. Alors l'idée à créer solo là, ndeka solo le lobby, somba cartoyo au solo ya trop. Banamboka, merci mingi, beau supporter et toza un network na bisomoko, merci beaucoup.
QEI Plus London, la signature de votre beauté. Seul point de vente sur tout le territoire britannique. Le centre dermatologique et cosmétologique QEI Plus, situé au 102 Seven Sisters Road, Holloway, Londres, N7, 6A.
Vous avez le réparateur, le powerful, le sérum et la crème du jour. Voilà, ça c'est pour votre gamme.
Merci beaucoup.
Bonne journée.
Merci.
Au revoir.
Au revoir.
Lorsque vous associez la beauté, les cheveux et la peau, c'est quelque chose de parfait. Et en plus de cela, nous avons un centre esthétique qui prend soin de votre peau, un salon de coiffure qui prend un grand soin pour vos cheveux. Nous vous recommandons toujours de venir nous voir parce que si vous avez l'originalité.
Faites attention à la contrefaçon. Il y en a plein sur le marché, mais une seule adresse, 100 à 102 Seven Sisters Road, London, N76AE.
toyebi na communauté na biso tozala ba problème ebele tozala makambo ebele okomona depo oya na mboko soko zwi ba carte bato musu ba bombaka nayebi dadi bikisa bomba ba carte ya 1000 livres de tala liboki ya ba carte mais ba carte wana ozo save mbongo te yango bazwaki lelo likanisi famille couple na biso bazwi likanisi ke no tolukela bana mboka eloko nini bako save mbongo eloko nini bako save pona mabota na biso solution Solola carte is the best one toloba mingi te me bomeka nani soki bomone le bino minute bobenganga Charlie Show ndeloko na ko garantie bino yangwana en tout cas merci beaucoup na ba mating le temple mokonzi toujours somba carte ya Solola et surtout pona mabota na biso merci beaucoup na Francis Pro Digital biso to sito bandi ko sola mama yo zozela nini ti musika me lelo to flasher bino kaka pona tina carte na biso Solola pona mabota na biso merci beaucoup.